Okay. You're alive. Add people. Um,
Oh, it says
There we
live
go.
now.
it's live now, right?
Yeah, it says
Yeah.
live in the corner.
What?
Live.
Yay! Okay, now we need Rachel. Where the heck is Rachel? Without the headphones.
That might be 5.
That one.
Yeah. Like,
Can you guys hear me better with or without the headphones? Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me better with or without the headphones?
I can't
Can
really
you
hear.
hear me at all?
I don't know what you're saying.
Sounds like a robot.
Can you hear me better now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, there we go.
That's better.
There? Okay.
Because before it was like beep boop bop beep boop boop boop, like some
Yeah.
kind of Star Wars thing.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, cute. Okay, good. Here. Okay.
Yeah. How long is this?
16 seconds.
Is Rachel not getting the phone call? So you can hear me well?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. I added Rachel, showed it was her, so I don't know.
Hopefully she shows up.
Here. Is there a way? I'm gonna just
there she
try
is.
it. Oh, there she is. You hear it?
I'm sick of this already. Okay. All right. Well, what are you guys up to now?
Okay. You want to just start this quiz?
Yeah, let's start this flipping quiz. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
The first 2 answers are true.
First two. Oh,
We're
you got it started. Okay.
We're taking less than 3, right?
Yeah, less
Yeah.
Okay.
Lesson 3.
Hold on. I'm still
Meeting
waiting.
quiz.
Oh my gosh, come on. Now it's going slow. Hold on. Something. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you guys have it on Excel, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When calculating anything, please remember to round to 3 decimal points unless otherwise specified. Do not round until your calculator is complete. Okay. Know how to calculate this on there? I'd help you if I had it open. I can't get it open.
So you're not looking at the
I have it.
hospital numbers?
I have it. 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 I have it won't open. Like I've downloaded the SPSS and like when you go to open it, it tries to open it in Internet Explorer still. And I'm like, and then you try and go, and then I go into the program and it like, there's no thing to file open data.
Yeah.
So I have the program literally sitting up right here.
Located
So
in the data page of the online textbook. Have you tried the textbook? Here, let's see here. Lesson
Like-
3.
I've literally downloaded it so many times. Send to desktop. Yeah, it saves it on Internet Explorer.
36.
Mhm. 12 and 36.
Oh my gosh. Open with. I'm so annoyed because I just paid $50 for it and I can't get it to open.
Oh,
I don't know what to do.
It's with the IFB SPSS. So here.
Yeah. The program, IBM SPSS Statistics 24.
This survival time is talking about further talking about this.
So are you able to calculate the mean?
Like question number 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be 80,041.
Hold on. I tried to open this program. It's a huge program, by the way, so I had to like get rid of a bunch of stuff because it takes up a lot of room on your laptop. So I don't know if that you guys will have that issue, but it goes really slow now. Hold on. It's frozen. I can't do anything. Oh man.
Standard deviation.
How did you open it in Excel?
On I don't know, like how it gave us like directions of like all of the big list of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It just had all the Excel documents there too. So I just
On
clicked
the
on it.
list of like, on like the list that has like every different data thing on it, that's on Wikipedia,
Yeah.
and it has in there.
Oh,
Okay, let me try that real quick. I'm gonna go to the tech center on Tuesday. Do you just go to software
That was weird.
data and you just go to data files, the thing that's on Wikipedia?
Yeah. And then there was like the SPSS, and then there's also Excel files.
I'm not seeing. Hold on, let me.
Five number summary. Lawsuit. 5 number summary.
Did you go on Excel data files, the zip?
What?
Was it Excel data files?
Yeah.
Okay, let me bring that open real quick.
Oh, the first number in the 5-number summary. The 5-number summary.
I think these two.
Oh, wrong patient.
Okay, what was number 3 again?
5-number summary.
It was 80,041.
Hold on. Okay.
So
Wrong patient.
Here it is.
Oh, wrong site, wrong patient. Excel. Oh. Says it can't open it.
That's not good.
Oh, hold on, hold on.
I'm so behind. So the version for SPSS, did you just look up SPSS on Google and it was the first couple
No,
versions that popped up?
no, it's if you go into the technology file, I think it's like the third thing down. It's like how to download SPSS, and it's the website is like on the hub, and then you
Okay.
put in, you have to like register for it using your
Okay,
send registration thing.
technology folder. Okay. Software setup.
Okay, so now I have the Excel version.
Excel data file. Choose the type. So I want
Okay, so
select the appropriate course type.
I'm now entering the quiz again. It's taking forever. Okay, 80,041. And it's just $41, not 41 cents or any cents to it.
yeah, it's just because it says the whole for the whole
Oh,
dollar or
yes.
something like that.
Okay, and then how to calculate. Um,
And then, do you guys have the stuff up yet, or?
yeah, I have it. So you just highlight. Oh, cancel. I highlight all your data.
Yeah.
You go through and highlight it all. And then how did you get the on for a long time, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm a little confused on where you type in a formula.
So kind of like with basically every Excel, you just go to like a
Mm-hmm.
random cell and then press equals
Mm-hmm.
average and
Do I
then
need to do that? I'd highlight the data afterwards, right?
yeah.
Okay, here's median. Hold on. So median of A, comma B.
No, so it's gonna be like A2 through A like 400 or something like that.
I'm really confused. I'm not getting this. Man, it was so much easier on the other one. Dang it. Find the median amount hospitals pay in a wrong suit. Okay. So it would be wrong site. That's the median. You're taking the median of wrong site, correct?
Yeah.
So A2, comma, A. Oof, what is the number? How far does it go down?
What should you just do about scrolling?
I just did it by
To
scrolling
A
down.
Like you just swiped over
to
all.
A
And it's not
412.
comma, there it's a colon. And
Yeah.
it goes to A 412.
A colon?
So A2 colon A 412.
Okay, A 412. It's not working. No, it's telling me it wants to do a comma. Otherwise, it like goes away.
You have a parentheses around the A2 through the
Yeah.
oh,
And then I got 5,700 for 76.5.
that's not right.
Is that what you guys got?
For median, no, I got 68,552.
For median? Really? Okay.
Because these are some big numbers.
Yeah, there's a comma around it, and I've used Excel like a bazillion times, so I don't. Sure. Now I'm just clicking on them, and then you put it in and then do you put it in a comma again? I mean,
Well, so you just like grab the first cell A2, and
yeah.
then there's like a little square when you do that, and then you can just drag down and you just take all of it, and then I'll just put it in a formula for you.
Okay, let's do this. Almost there. And then do I just put it in the bracket again and enter? Okay, 68,552.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Let me type that in. 68,552. Apologize for taking so long. Find the standard deviation of the amount in the wrong state, round answer. Okay, so this one, you just start typing in equal standard deviation.
Basically.
Which one is it? There's standard dev.p, standard dev.s.
Just standard dev without any dot.
At the one at the bottom?
Yeah, it's just STDEV.
Okay. Okay. And this is for the same data, correct? The
Yeah.
wrong site? And I'll drag it down. Let's see. So much data. What'd you guys get?
71,404.
And you just rounded it to 404
Yeah, because it says
to the nearest whole dollar? Okay. Just making sure. 404. Okay, use the following information to answer the next 5 questions. Hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare, usually fatal type of lung cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represents the survival times in months. Survival time in months. What is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients? So would you just add them up and divide them by 4?
yeah.
Okay.
I believe it was like 7.
Is that all you guys did?
Yeah.
And you got 7?
Yep.
And the median, so you line them up in order. So you have 1, 3, 5, 19. So you do 3 plus 5 divided by 2. So 4?
Yeah.
4 is the median.
Yes.
Okay. If you were to compute the variance by hand, and use the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Give an answer that would be entered into the space labeled A.
So it's 19 minus 7, so 12.
Oh, okay. That's easy. Okay, let me save that one. And then the median, or no, deviations from the mean. So B would just be 144?
Well, because it's 1 minus 7, so it'd be -6.
Negative 6,
And
so
that's
36.
That's 36.
I'll be right back.
What is the standard deviation of survival times, Xavier? Are we still using that chart, standard deviation? Okay, do you guys understand how you would do that last one, number 10?
Sorry, which one?
10?
10. The standard deviation, I just typed it in on the Excel. So I put the 5, 19, 1, 3, and then did the exact same thing for standard deviation as before.
Okay,
And I
let me
got
do that real quick.
8.2.
Here, let me try it just to make sure I understand. It's 5, 19, 1, and 3.
Yeah.
Do you have any testing and testing on this one? I don't think so. I hope
I'll try standard deviation,
I'll be able to do this right here.
standard D, and it is this number, that number,
So
8.16. Is that what you guys got?
what?
Did you get 8.2?
Yeah, 8.2. Yeah.
Okay.
So it says on Wikipedia the answer to number 11.
Oh, really?
It just says 0.
Yeah, it uses wrong site data for the example for a 5-number summary,
Uh-huh.
And so the first number in their 5-number summary is 0.
That's 0.
Which would be the
That's it?
minimum. So it makes sense.
Okay, that makes sense.
Hopefully that's actually right.
I guess we'll find out. What is the second number?
29,496.
Hold on. Where are you finding this at? I'm just a little confused.
On that, like our textbook thing for lesson 3.
Okay.
Towards the bottom.
This is what you-
Oh, I do see that. Okay. Number, what was the number again? 29,000. I just left the page
patient data.
stupidly.
29,379.
We're hoping.
Hopefully. If it's not that, then it's the other one, but I think it's this one.
Okay.
Because it gives 2 different answers. But the question is asking for wrong patient. And since there's 2 different answers, I'm assuming one is wrong site and the other one's wrong patient.
Okay. And the fourth number and the 5-number summary. I wish I wouldn't have just added that. I did have it.
Oh, but this one says rounded to the nearest cent.
Oh, that's bad news.
That's not good.
Okay, never mind on number 12. We have to actually find it. Because it wants it rounded to the nearest cent.
Okay. Okay. Then how do we do that on Excel, the 5-number summary?
They have a different Excel sheet called Quantitative Descriptive Statistics, which is what it told me to pull up when I looked it up in the textbook.
Where did you find that at?
The textbook? I don't know.
Just you're talking about the Wikipedia, because I think textbook
Yeah.
is kind of a...
Yeah, the Wikipedia page.
Okay. It's not a total textbook. A little confusing. Okay. Let me go back to it again. Wish I wouldn't have exited.
Put something else. Okay.
Oh man, this is when you're running everything, it starts going really slow. I apologize.
This is definitely weird.
Five-number summary. Okay. Oh, here we go. Copy and paste the desired in column A of your spreadsheet. Which one?
It's called quantitative descriptive statistics.
Okay. Well, it's like you click on it and it brings you into another one with a bunch more. I'm like, that doesn't really.
This is the worst test ever.
Yep. Uh, this is why I wish we were just told to get a calculator, because it's really simple
It
on a
worked.
calculator. It literally just tells you right on the calculator. But the problem is I don't want to type in 412 different numbers, but I kind of feel like it might even be easier doing that. Thinking about it. Like, because then once they're in, it's like you just click on whatever and it just shows you mean, median, standard deviation, null, all that stuff. So
Yeah.
really contemplating that, because this is like a lot more steps to it.
In the Excel thing, the second number, whatever it would be 3090 or 3900 rather. And it doesn't seem like it has any cents on it. But not sure why it's not.
Okay. How did you guys? It says paste data below. It says paste your data on the column on the left with or without a title. Determine the number of bins in your histogram cell. So how did you guys find that? Can I ask you?
So I just copied all of the stuff in the column for wrong patient, like all the way down, and then pasted it in.
Paste it onto the left side, the blue box.
Right below that, yeah.
It's on like cell number 7 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So below the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I got rid of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got rid
I'm
of
not
it.
sure
Okay,
if
that's
I'm
what I
supposed
thought.
to, or if that makes a difference.
I'm pretty sure you are. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to show you.
So you should try that and see what happens. It changes it all.
Okay, so I'll try that. Let me copy and you just copied the wrong site data, not wrong patient.
I copied wrong patient because that's the
Number 12.
number 12 is wrong patient.
Okay. Whoa, what is it going for? Copy. And paste.
I'm glad you're getting
Okay.
the numbers, so.
We could have done this stuff on. Okay. And what are we looking? We're looking at the quartile 1.
What?
Yeah, because it's like the numerical description of statistics. Which one are you guys looking at to get?
So on the Wikipedia page, it said that the 5 boxes is the minimum, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum.
Okay.
And so the first one would be the minimum, and mine is
So
0.
zero.
Does yours also say 0?
Yeah, minimum says 0.
Okay. And then what does Q1 say?
3,900.
Oh,
Okay, cool.
nice.
Same as ours.
Same? Okay.
Yeah.
So for the answer to that one, the second number would be 3,900.
Yeah. And it says rounded to the nearest cent. So do you think that means that we're supposed to put a decimal point and then 2 zeros? Or just leave it as 3,900?
Put the zeros.
I don't know. I honestly don't. I think that's kind of weird for it to say that.
Because then the one that should also be 0 also says
Be 0.00. Let's
Yeah.
put the 00 after it to be safe, and because we
Yeah.
can take this quiz twice. You guys, are you writing down? I think it would be wise if we have to take it twice to see what answers. Like you write down what we put down, so when we take it again, we're not.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have them all written down already.
You have them written down. Okay. Okay, and then it shows the fourth number, so that is quartile 3, 50,145.5.
yeah.
Yeah.
145 point. You just put 50. And okay. Number 14. Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies. In the U.S., individuals can go to Redbox kiosks and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. The study was done in which the researchers observed the duration of time in seconds, making decisions from renting Redbox. Answer your next 2 questions with this box plot. Oh, I hate these. Gosh, the estimated number. 150. No, 175. Are you guys there?
Yeah.
What's the third quartile in the red box decision box? Okay, I'm gonna go to the Wikipedia page. It talks about these box thingies.
Well, no. So the very end of the box is the third quartile, and then everything on percent off, you know? Because I do remember looking at that, and I've got it right on the quiz. And so, like, if you think the very beginning, like, that's so, like, that greenish shade where it ends, that greenish box where it ends.
But we just have to guess
It
what
ends
that is,
right.
because
It looks like 175.
It looks like 175. Okay.
Let's say 170.
I think so.
That's pretty stupid
I
because it
don't
says
know.
give an estimated number.
Yeah.
Oh man.
173.49, I would say.
223.
Yeah.
Really, really.
Very, very
That's
specific.
really approximate.
It has to be right, right?
Okay, what is the longest observed time the Redbox customers in this study? So, like, 725? Is that outlier person?
Yeah, that's what that was. 725 is probably right.
Is that what you guys are seeing?
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Okay. And the last one, based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean?
So the mean's the middle line, right?
Do you guys understand how you're supposed to get mean from a box plot?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's just the middle line, right?
That's the middle line, so it's like
That's
just
all it
above
is?
100, which is
It's like
annoying.
105.
Yeah, like 105,
105.
110.
Okay, we're going with that.
Probably like 110.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do we all have them answered right now?
Oh, 105.
Oh, 105.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. It's the first one,
I
guys.
didn't
I noticed it was multiple choice.
I was like, oh, like 110. Oh.
Want to
Alright.
submit it
So
and
that-
see
did
what
we
we got?
answer everything?
So do one of you
Yeah.
want to
So-
submit it and see if they're
Yeah.
right?
I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it
Thank
since
you.
we have a second chance.
Yeah, since we have a
Okay.
second chance, you can go last.
I'm just going to save mine right now because I procrastinated and didn't have SPSS. That's not coming. But I got it purchased right now and we'll use it next time.
We missed one. It wasn't 105 seconds. It's this cannot be determined.
What?
Can be determined?
I knew it. I freaking knew it. I knew it.
What? It's totally 105. Come on.
Okay.
But all the other ones are right.
Yes, everything else is right.
Yeah, good
Awesome.
job, everybody.
Don't
What's up,
skip,
guys?
Don't submit yours yet. I need the answers again. Because I know what they are. I have to calculate them all again.
All right, here, I'll read them to you, okay?
Okay, let me go back to it so I can retake it.
I'm going to bring it closer.
Yeah, so we got like a
Okay,
94.
so that's
Great
really
meeting.
good, guys.
Yes, that is a good sign. Okay, 1 second. Start quiz. Okay.
It's so stupid.
My gosh, this is slow. Okay, I completed. I actively participated. Okay, number 3.
All right, that is 80,041.
80,000, 041, and that's it. 80,041.
That's right.
Okay, median.
68552.
Yep. Save. Question number 5.
71404.
71404. Okay. What is the mean?
7.
Yeah, I should remember that. What was the median? 4.
4.
Okay. Labeled A. What was 8?
12.
Oh. And question number 9.
36.
36. Yep. Question number 10.
8.2.
8.2. Question number 11 was 0. Right?
Right.
Question number 12 was what one?
Question number 12 was 3900.00.
Okay. 3900.00. Question number 13 was
50145.50.
0.50. 50,145.50. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I would be so ticked if I typed in something wrong. That would. And the third quartile range, what we said, 175
Point zero zero.
for question 14.
Yeah, 14
Yeah.
was 175.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, 0.00. Okay.
0.00. Okay, what is the longest observed time? What was that one? That was, I mean, like
125.
725.
Yeah, 725.
Oh wait.
Save.
Okay.
And the last one,
Number
this cannot be
16 cannot be
determined.
determined. Just
Yep.
so you
So
know,
dumb.
can't be determined.
Okay, and submit the quiz.
All right.
I'm sure you want to. Are you really sure you want to spend? No, but seriously, are you pretty sure?
Submit. Yes, submit. $100%. Woohoo!
Yay.
Did you guys
Okay.
finish the homework already?
No, I'll be working on it right now after.
Do you have a question on it or something?
How bad is that?
It's not bad at all.
Was it a lot easier than this quiz? 'Cause I haven't even looked at it yet.
Yes. There weren't even really calculations, but the only thing that was really confusing about it is, well, the homework quiz itself, there's no calculation, so it's very easy. Like actual homework that you take before, I found it to be like weird because I went to go check my answers and like there's no selected answers. Like it just like shows it in a different format. It was like because it was like select the box plot that would describe this data, and it just shows all of them. It doesn't say, oh, this one is right. So I was like, I don't know if I did it all right. So you can't correct your work. So
Yeah,
That's stupid.
um
I think you just email him, say, hey, how did I get this
Yeah.
wrong? Or just go through the text again and then read about it.
But I don't
So,
want to tell you anything about homework. Just be very selective on what you just like really pay attention to the question. That's all I will say. Pay really close to the question. But you have two chances.
so dumb. Okay.
They're a little sneaky, but that's it. Otherwise, it's
When do you guys want to meet to do the other 2 lessons for next week?
can do it the Thursday again at that study room.
Okay, that should be fine.
That'd be good.
What do you think? Is that okay or
The study room, do you guys just meet at the MC or library or?
yeah, it's the
Yeah,
MC.
we
Yeah.
just got a
If we
study
have
room in
the
the
same-
MC last time.
It's like downstairs.
I just live really far away. I live like 40.
We can do like the Google Hangouts with you, and then we'll just all be there.
Okay.
That would
Yeah,
probably
I
be a lot
live like
easier to record
40
and
minutes.
stuff.
Yeah. No,
That'd
it's not a
probably
problem.
be-
We'll just
Okay.
add. It's a
I'll
lot easier
be
adding one person.
true. Hopefully it'll work for me, but yeah.
Okay.
And I'll be much better prepared. I'm just on vacation and
That's okay.
don't want to do homework. Sorry. Okay. Well, thanks, guys.
I will end this and post everyone's names. If I know your guys' names, the guys, but I don't know your last name, Rachel. If you want to just send that in the text, the group text, and then I'll just post this on.
Okay. I'll send it to you right now.
Thank you very much. Okay, well, I guess we'll see you guys Thursday.
Okay. All right.
Sounds good.
What time? Sorry, what?
5:30 or no?
5?
What time did you guys want to do? Because I'm free whenever Thursday after like 10.
Oh, we have a lab on Thursday.
Oh gosh.
So after the lab, or
Okay, what time's your lab end?
so
Did we say 6 o'clock?
That's the 19th, right? So group meeting.
That should work, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Thursday at 6. See you then.
Okay.
all right.
Okay, see ya.
Bye. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Bye. Thanks.
Thanks. See ya.